stage, Direct Paolo Villaluna.
Hi, good afternoon. I actually had a speech going here, pero I kind of decided to change it. Okay lang ba lumapit? I actually kind of meant my talk sana for students. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Paolo Villaluna. Trigger warning lang. Yung ikwento ko, medyo maselan and might include self-harm. So if anyone is kind of triggered by that, it's okay to walk out. Okay? So para lang clear tayo, ethical. Okay. This is so weird because I was supposed to tell this to students, but we're with friends and most of my colleagues actually don't know this story. But I was 12 years old, roughly 10 years ago. Anyway, I was 12 years old. Bacolod ako, Ilonggo ako, and we were kind of impoverished. Englishero lang ako. It was a difficult time for us. Nanginginig ako while telling this story. But anyway, it was a difficult time. Tapos, I decided to kind of do self-harm. And then I woke up in the hospital. Pagkagising ko, linggo. Sa TV, merong $1 million movie sa Bacolod. Replay siya ng mga Hollywood films. Akala ko actually pinapanood ko. I was so engrossed. Shit nila rito. It was about a detective na nag-hunt down siya ng mga human clones. Tapos, in the end, meron siyang existential crisis. Hindi niya alam kung human siya or clone din ba siya. I was so touched. The title of the film is Blade Runner. I started crying. And I was like, wow, ano yung epekto ng film sa akin na to? Akala ko action lang siya, and it was telling me a different story. After that day, I decided to be alive and be a filmmaker. I am telling you this story para hindi kayo maawa sa akin. I want you guys to go back to that moment where you found your calling to be a filmmaker. This is a calling, and you have to be responsible with this power. Okay? There are two things you can do with this power. You can tell stories, and you can serve your community telling the stories. Take away all the excess muna of fame, glory, money. Tell you guys walang pera sa pelikula, offhand. You have two responsibilities. One, be true to yourself and express yourself. Okay? Walang tama o mali, regardless of your objective. Number two, you're telling a story, you have the power, someone else doesn't have the power. Tell someone else's story. Be an advocate for someone less powerful than you. Guys, I always end this speech with one thing. You guys are not students, you will be future colleagues. I'll see you guys sa pelikula. Thank you guys!